Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 5.3. In this video we are going to study probability of an event. Examples based on probability from practice set 5.4. Now probability of A, this is event A. Probability of event A is equal to number of elements of event A upon number of sample points of sample space. By using this formula we can find probability. Probability of A, this is event A, probability of A is equal to NA upon NS. By using this formula we will find probability. Let's start practice set 5.4. Example number 1 of practice set 5.4 is if two coins are tossed. This is random experiment. Now let's start from this. Two coins are tossed. Now if two coins are tossed, we know sample space. Therefore S is equal to HH first, then HT, then TH and last TT. This is sample space if two coins are tossed. Therefore NS is equal to 4. Number of sample points, NS is equal to 4. Now take first event here. Event A. Event A is find the probability of the following events. Getting at least one head. If two coins are tossed, getting at least here, getting at least one head. Therefore we have to write it in set form. At least one head. At least means minimum one, maximum two. In this group there are two. Here pair of two. This is. We want at least one head, maximum two heads. Means maximum two heads we can write HH. At least one, minimum one, HT we can write. Minimum one we can write. We want minimum one, at least one. Here no head, that's why we cannot take T, closed. Therefore here number of A is equal to, number of A how many? 1, 2, 3. Number of A is equal to 3. And at last, therefore we want probability of A is equal to, formula is NA upon NS. Number of A is 3 upon NS is 4. This is probability of event A getting at least one head. Event B is getting no head. Event B I write here. Event B getting no head. Therefore B is equal to, now in sample space you see where there is no head. No head here. Head is here, head is here, head. Here no head. Means this group will come. TT. Bracket close. Therefore number of B is equal to only 1. Okay. And we want probability also. Therefore here I write. Therefore probability of B is equal to NB upon NS is equal to NB is 1 upon NS is 4. This is the probability of event B of getting no head. Let's see example number 2. If two dice are rolled simultaneously. Now events are given in example, but let's see this first, sample space, number of sample points, then event one by one I will write. Now here if two dice are rolled, sample space we know there are 36 possibilities. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. This is first row. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Third row. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6 bracket close. Therefore NS is equal to 36. This is sample space. Now event A. Event A, the sum of the upper faces of both the coins of both the dice is at least 10. Is at least 10. In sum of here, these are two dice, no? Upper faces. We want at least 10. Sum at least 10 means minimum 10. Then what is the highest sum you see here? Last sum, highest sum is 12. Therefore we want sum 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. At least 10. No? At least means minimum 10. And highest sum is 12. Therefore 10, 11, 12. A is equal to, in curly bracket, now we have to find out from this sample space the brackets in which we get sum 10, 11, 12. Okay, here sum is 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sum. Here sum 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't get. We want 10 at least. At least 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we get first sum 4, 6. 4, 6. After that here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here 5, 5. 5, 5 and 5, 6. 6, 5 plus 6, 11. Let's see here 7, 8, 9, 10 here we get 6, 4, 6, 5, 11, 6, 6, 12 bracket close. Therefore NA, number of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NA is equal to 6. And therefore probability is equal to P of A is equal to NA upon NS. NA, number of A, 6 upon NS, 36. It is reducible by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, 1 upon 6. Therefore probability of event A is equal to 1 upon 6. Let's see event B. Event B is the sum of the upper faces of both the dice is 33. Sum 33. Now if you see here, if you see all the brackets here, last sum is 12, highest sum is 12, but here for this event we want sum 33. Means in this sample space there are no faces where we get sum 33, and no event, no element means empty. Therefore B is equal to here empty bracket. Therefore we can write here number of B is equal to 0. Therefore probability of B is equal to NB upon NS. NB is 0, NS 36, 0 upon 36, 0. This is the probability of event B. P of B is equal to 0. Let's see event C. Event C is the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. Means in bracket first number greater than the second. Therefore here C is equal to, now here first die greater, here equal, here small, 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 small. In first row there is no any element. Here first die greater, here you see 2 1, first die is greater than the second. Here 2 2 equal, and here small. Here you see 3 1 3 2, 3 1 3 2, first die greater. Here you see 4 1 4 2 4 3, first die greater. here phi 1, phi 2, phi 3, phi 4. Here first diagrater 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5. We got C, event C. Therefore number of C is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Number of C is equal to 15. We want probability P of C is equal to number of C upon number of S. Number of C is 15 upon number of S is 36. If we reduce by 3, then 3 5s are, and here 12 3s are. Therefore probability of event C is equal to 5 upon 12. Example number 3. There are 15 tickets in a box bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. Therefore here S is equal to, tickets are from 1 to 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6, last 15. Therefore here NS is equal to 15. Number of sample points 15. Now first event A. Event A is the ticket drawn shows an even number. Means from the sample space we have to find out only even numbers. Even means divisible by, multiple by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Bracket close. These are even numbers. Therefore number of A is equal to, number of A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Therefore after getting NS and NA we want P of A, probability of A. Therefore probability of A is equal to NA upon NS. NA is 7 upon NS is 15. Therefore probability of event A is equal to 7 upon 15. Now here second event B is the ticket drawn shows number which is multiple of 5. Therefore here B is equal to, now multiple of 5, 10, 15. Only these are multiple of 5. Therefore number of B is equal to 3 only. 1 2 3. We want probability. Therefore probability of B is equal to NB upon NS. NB is 3 upon NS is 15. It is reducible by 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are. Therefore probability of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Example number 4. A 2-digit number is to be formed with these digits. Now here we have to form 2-digit number formed from digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Therefore S is equal to, in curly bracket. Now we have from 2, 23, 25, 27, 29. Then start with 3, 32, 35, 37, 39. Then start with 5, 52, 53, 57, 59. Then start with 7, 72, 73, 75, 79. Last with 9, 92, 93, 95, 97. Bracket close. Therefore here NS is equal to, see how many sample points are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. NS is equal to 20. Number of sample points 20. Now event. First event is here. Event A. Event A is the number formed is the number form is odd number, is an odd number. Therefore A is equal to, in bracket, now from sample space find out odd numbers. 23 is odd, 25, 27, 29, 32 even, 35, 37, 39, 52 even, 53, 57, 59, 72 even, 73, 75, 79, 92 even, 93, 95, 97, bracket close. From this event A, we can write number of A. Number of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Na is equal to 16. And therefore probability we can write here P of A is equal to Na upon Ns. Na is equal to 16 upon Ns is equal to 20. These are reducible by 4. 4 4s are 4 5s are 4 upon 5. Therefore probability of A is equal to 4 upon 5. Now event B. Event B is here, multiple of 5. Therefore here I write event B. The number form is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 from this sample space B is equal to the number at unit place 5 is there, that is multiple of 5. 25, 35, 55 is not there, 75, 95. These are multiple of 5. Therefore number of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want P of B. P of B is equal to NB upon Ns, 4 upon Ns 20, reducible by 4. 4 1s are 4 5s are. Probability of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Number 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. This is yes. Yes is equal to, now here are 52 playing cards. We cannot show 52 playing cards in the set form. Therefore Ns is equal to 52. First event, an S. Event A. Event A is the card drawn is an ace. Therefore A is equal to, now ace, how many ace are in the pack? In each group there is one ace. Which 4 groups? Heart, diamond, spade and club. In each group, in each set there is one ace. Therefore total 4 ace cards. Number of A is equal to 4. Therefore probability of A is equal to Na upon Ns is equal to Na4 upon Ns 52, reducible by 4. 4 1s are 13 4s are 1 upon 13. Probability of event A is equal to 1 upon 13. Event B. Event B, the card drawn is a spade. Then in a set of 52 cards there are 13 spades cards. Therefore B is equal to 13 spade cards. Therefore number of B is equal to 13. Therefore P of B is equal to NB upon NS. NB 13 upon NS 52, reducible by 13. 13 1s are 13 4s are 1 upon 4. Probability of event B is equal to 1 upon 4. With this example, practice set 5.4 is also completed.